it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. On this video, we'll be making this adorable little Czech glass flower using Soft Flex wire, and it is in the beautiful pink tourmaline color. I went ahead and made these little components here, just using my leftover Soft Flex wire from other projects. And I started to connect them to make a little chain. So comment down below if you would like a tutorial on how to make these little links. But I'm just going to use one of them as a connection point here for the earring and then add this Czech Glass Flower that is available on softflexcompany.com. And I will go ahead and leave a link down below in the description box where you can order this beautiful flower piece. For a pair of earrings, you will need two of the flowers, and they do come in a package of four. Two 6mm jump rings, a head pin, or you can use your own out of Soft Flex craft wire, one of the little links, and an earring finding. What's nice about the Soft Flex wire is it comes in so many different colors that you can customize it to your project. And I just thought that the pink tourmaline would fit beautiful with this flower. So we're just going to go ahead and slide on our Czech Glass Flower onto our head pin. So we have our flower on the head pin. We're just going to take our round nose pliers. We're just going to bend 90-degree angle and then bend straight down. And this will be your little loop that you will connect to your link, your Soft Flex link. So you can trim off this little tail here. And then with our round nose pliers, we're just going to go and round it into a loop. And if you need to make adjustments, you'll just move that with your round nose plier. So you'll have your little loop on your Czech Glass Flower. We're going to take our jump rings, attach it to the flower, and then to our link. We're just going to close. And you could use one jump ring. I'm going to use two just because it gives it a little bit of a design element as well as like a chainmail look. So we'll pick up our other jump ring. Just do the same thing. Jump ring, do the same thing. Connect it to our loop. And these are super quick and easy earrings. You can also make them as like little charms for a charm bracelet. I think that'd be super cute. Like if this is your bracelet, you could have all the little charms kind of dangle off of that. I think that'll be one of my next tutorials. I really like that. Super cute. Or a necklace. This would be really good for the upcoming kit, Soft Flex Design Kit Exotic Blooms. So we have our little link. Then we're just going to take our earring finding and then attach that top part of the link. And then just give it a close. And we have our earrings. Super quick and easy. And it's using the Soft Flex wire medium. And it's just using the leftover wires to make these little links. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for other content and tutorials. And comment down below if you would like to see a tutorial making a charm bracelet or charm necklace using these links. Have a wonderful day.